All right, Mark, what do we got for the housing provider tip of the week?
All right, housing provider tip of the week. It is tax season right now, and I know from experience when we were trying to get loans on individual properties or portfolios this time of year, one of the requirements was us to get our current year tax returns, and that held me up. It happened to me two or three times, 2 or 3 different years of the 10 years we were heavily borrowing. But the requirements that they have, in June or July might be different than they have in March, April. Maybe right now you're on the cusp of getting a loan, or maybe they're not 100% confident. So they say, maybe one of the closing requirements is to bring your file for your taxes for last year, and they want to see that as a closing condition. So if you are thinking about getting loans or you're in the loan process, that's something they could spring on you right now. So make sure you're prepared, and if you have to go file your taxes, to make sure you're working towards those steps. Some people I know love to take advantage of that extension. And that was something that I got burned on one year. I wanted to wait for later in the year because I owed money, but when I had to hurry up and cut that check and get my tax done, because it was the only way I was going to get that loan closed that I had in front of me. So keep in mind that could throw a wrench in your plans to get current financing.
Good stuff.